Hello, future biologists! Did you know there's an animal bigger than a computer train, as big as an aeroplane, and heavier than 15 elephants? Meet the incredible blue whale, the largest animal on Earth. Blue whale is a large mammal that lives in the ocean. They breathe through lungs and feed their babies with milk, just like humans. Their milk is so rich that their babies can gain 100 kilograms in weight every day. They can reach to its full length of 25 meters. Even in water, they can sing, making a mysterious sound melody. Whales sing primarily for communication, which can involve attracting mates, notifying their presence to other whales, or coordinating group movement and activities. Songs also provide information that help whales navigate through the vast ocean by providing information about their surroundings. It's a process called echolocation. Years went by, its population is decreasing. Ongoing threats like entanglement in fishing gear, collision with ships, and even whaling activities. Alteration in ocean temperatures from climate change can also interfere its food supply. Even though appropriate action has been taken, the recovery rate for whale is slow. So, it is important to help keep the ocean clean and safe for whales and all other creatures for years to come, while ensuring a healthy environment for future generations. Take care now.